Hi. Hello fellow plant enthusiasts, I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and today we're back with another installment of The Foliage Files. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by drooping leaves, yellowing foliage, or plants that seem to just give up too soon, well, this video's for you. Today, we're diving into the secrets of plant longevity, helping you keep your leafy companions thriving for years to come. From mastering soil health to fine-tuning your watering routine, let's make those plants last longer and look healthier than ever. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. Yeah. To make your plants last longer, first you need to understand their basic needs. Light, water, and nutrients form the holy trinity of plant care. Each plant has unique requirements, so knowing what your green body likes is key. For example, succulents thrive in bright, direct light with infrequent watering, while ferns prefer shady, humid conditions. Several factors can significantly shorten a plant's lifespan. Overwatering is one of the most common culprits, often leading to root rot, while inadequate light causes weak, leggy growth. Pest infestations such as spider mites or aphids can quickly sap your plant's strength, leaving it vulnerable to disease. The soil your plant lives in is its foundation for longevity. Well-draining, nutrient-rich soil promotes healthy root development and reduces the risk of waterlogged conditions. If your soil becomes compacted or depleted of nutrients, your plant will struggle to survive, no matter how much care you give it. Just like us, plants need a strong immune system to resist stress and disease. It all starts with the right potting mix. For most houseplants, a blend of peat moss, perlite, and compost offers the perfect balance of drainage and moisture retention. However, some plants have more specific needs. Orchids, for example, thrive in airy, bark-based mixes, while succulents require gritty, well-draining soil. As your plants grow, they'll eventually outgrow their pots, which can lead them to become root-bound. When roots start circling the bottom of the container or poking through drainage holes, it's time for a larger pot. Repotting every 1 to 2 years gives the roots room to expand, allowing your plants to flourish instead of becoming stunted. Fertilizing is another key factor in boosting your plant's longevity. During the growing season, spring and summer, feeding your plants with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks replenishes essential nutrients. Flowering plants benefit from bloom-boosting fertilizers with higher phosphorus content. However, during the dormant season, it's best to reduce or stop fertilizing to prevent overwhelming your plants with nutrients it doesn't need. Watering is one of the trickiest parts of plant care, but mastering it is essential for longevity. The first step is understanding your plant's specific watering needs. Tropical plants such as caletheas and ferns enjoy consistently moist soil, while drought-tolerant varieties like snake plants or CC plants prefer to dry out completely between waterings. A simple yet effective method to prevent over or underwatering is the finger test. Before reaching for your watering can, stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water, but if it feels damp, wait a few days. For plant parents with a busy schedule, self-watering pots offer a practical solution. These containers feature a built-in reservoir system that provides a consistent moisture supply to the roots. This not only reduces the risk of overwatering, but also helps your plants thrive with minimal effort. Proper lighting is crucial for plant longevity. Each plant has its own light preferences, so it's important to position them accordingly. Succulents and cacti, for instance, crave direct sunlight, while low-light champions like peace lilies and snake plants can thrive in dimmer corners of your home. If you're dealing with limited natural light, artificial grow lights can be a game changer. Full-spectrum LED grow lights mimic the sun's rays, promoting healthy photosynthesis and preventing your plants from becoming leggy. And if you're looking for a reliable option, I highly recommend SANSI LED grow lights. Their energy-efficient design provides powerful, even light coverage, perfect for keeping your indoor plants thriving year-round. Whether you're nurturing leafy tropicals, flowering plants, or even growing your own herbs, SANSI's grow lights offer the ideal spectrum for healthy, vigorous growth. Right now, you can get 32% off with my exclusive offer in the link below. Just use the promo code STEVE32 at checkout. Don't miss out on this limited time deal. Your plants will thank you. To encourage even growth, remember to rotate your plants regularly, at least about once a week. This ensures all sides receive equal light exposure, preventing lopsided or leaning stems. Consistent rotation will result in fuller, more balanced plants. When it comes to plant longevity, prevention is the best cure. Keep a watchful eye for common pests and diseases. Yellowing leaves, sticky residue, or fine webs are telltale signs of unwanted visitors. If you spot pests, treat the infection promptly using insecticidal soap, neem oil, or by manually removing the bugs. For fungal issues such as powdery mildew or root rot, prune away infected leaves and improve air circulation around your plants. Increasing ventilation reduces humidity levels, making it harder for fungi to spread. Finally, implementing a regular maintenance routine will keep your plants healthy. Inspect them weekly for signs of stress, including wilting, discoloration, or unusual spotting. Dusting the leaves with a damp cloth also improves their ability to photosynthesize, boosting overall vitality. And there you have it, folks. With these tips, your plants will not only survive, but they will thrive and bring you joy for years to come. Do you have any other tips or recommendations that you'd like to share? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and or learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and for those who want to go the extra mile in supporting this mission, you can consider becoming a Patreon or a channel member by clicking the join button under this video or one of the other links that are down there, and you can access exclusive content and perks. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Remember, keep growing and keep thriving. See you in the next video. That is all she wrote. Bye.